Ever wondered how to effortlessly receive money, whether it's from a client, a friend, or family, right into your digital wallet? No more waiting for bank transfers to clear, no more fumbling with complicated forms. If you're looking for a simple, secure, and lightning-fast way to get paid, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Beam wallet and showing you exactly how to receive money with just a few taps. Beam Wallet isn't just another digital wallet, it's a game changer for anyone who values speed and convenience. Imagine getting paid instantly, no matter where you are or who's sending you money. That's the power of Beam. It simplifies your financial life, making it easy to manage your funds and receive payments without a hitch. Whether you're a freelancer receiving payment from an international client, a small business owner getting paid by customers, or simply someone sharing expenses with friends, Beam Wallet streamlines the entire process. It's designed with you in mind, intuitive, secure, and incredibly efficient. So, how does it work? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. The first and most crucial step is ensuring you have the Beam Wallet app downloaded and set up on your smartphone. If you haven't already, head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Beam Wallet. Download it, sign up, and complete the quick verification process. This usually involves providing some basic information and linking your bank account or debit card for seamless transactions. Once your account is active, you're ready to receive funds. Now, there are two primary ways you can receive money on your Beam wallet, either by sharing your unique Beam tag or by generating a payment link. Let's talk about the Beam tag first. Every Beam wallet user gets a unique identifier, kind of like a personalized username for your wallet. This is your Beam tag. It's designed to be easy to remember and share. To find yours, simply open your Beam Wallet app, navigate to your profile or the Receive section, and you'll see your Beam tag prominently displayed. When someone wants to send you money, all they need to do is enter your Beam tag in their Beam Wallet app, specify the amount, and hit send. It's that simple. The funds will appear in your wallet almost instantly. The second method is by generating a payment link. This is particularly useful if you're receiving money from someone who might not have a Beam wallet or if you want to request a specific amount for a service or product. Within the Receive section of your Beam Wallet app, you'll find an option to generate payment link. Here, you can specify the amount you're requesting, add a brief description if you wish, and then generate the link. You can then share this link via text message, email, social media, or any other platform. When the sender clicks on the link, they'll be guided through a secure payment process, and once completed, the money will land directly in your Beam wallet. This offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to get paid by anyone, anywhere, with ease. Beam Wallet also provides real-time notifications, so you'll know the moment funds arrive in your account. You can track all your transactions within the app, giving you a clear overview of your incoming and outgoing funds. It's secure, transparent, and built for your financial peace of mind. Receiving money on Beam Wallet is truly a breeze, making your financial interactions smoother and more efficient than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.